Hey, I'm Douglas Caballero here in the Chelsea Arts District in New York City, and I'm about to head to the premiere party for the S63 AMG Coupe. It's exclusive and invite only, but if you come along with me, you can get in. Okay, so I'm smuggling you in to the exclusive premiere party for the S63 AMG Coupe. So we have to go in through the kitchen. Let's go. Come on, come on. This party is popping off. As you can see, there are all kinds of people here. Journalists, automotive industry people, all kinds of people from all over the world here to attend this exclusive party for the S63 AMG Coupe. Let's go check it out. This car is absolutely stunning. What are some of the features that make it such a special car?
Obviously it's the styling, but there are some inner values in that car which are pure AMG. So first of all, the engine, a 5.5 liter V8 biturbo, 585 horsepower, 900 Newton meter of torque. It comes as a four-wheel drive, so it's the very first time the AMG Coupe, S-Class Coupe, is delivered with a four-wheel drive system. So it's our AMG four-wheel drive system with a torque split front and rear axle, 33% on the front, 67% on the rear. We have a new front axle in that car. It's different from the S63 dedicated front axle, so it's another front axle in that one. And it's so precise, and it runs around the Nordschleife, for example, around 8 minutes. Wow. And we never had an S-Class which was so fast on the Nordschleife. It's kind of a picture how precise the car handles, how easy to drive it on a country road. And a lot of comfort is delivered from the car as well if you ride on the Autobahn or long distance.
You have chosen New York to premiere the curve tilt function, which is part of Magic Body Control.
Yep.
What exactly is curve tilt function?
It sounds complicated, it is complicated. But it comes with a Magic Body Control. And with that system, with that suspension system, you're able to lift the car. So if the car runs into a corner, left-hand corner, we lift it up a little bit on the right side. So it's like a skier. So you lean into the corner, lean into the curve, and the car does the same. You never experience something like that.
This thing is also just beautiful to look at. What are some of the exterior features that you really love?
This is for sure the AMG specific A-wing, which stands for our styling language today. Yeah, the A-wing starts here, and with that chrome-plated part on that. And this is our AMG twin blade grille, the front grille, where we introduce now the AMG badge as well on the front of the car. So this is very specific, dedicated to AMG. So the car looks more sporty than ever an S-Class Coupe looks.
Don't let the sporty looks of this exterior fool you. The interior is second to none. So luxurious, and there are so many amenities. This seat, while beautiful to look at, is like a cockpit seat. Right now, I am locked in and I am ready to take this powerful V8 out on a windy road. So now you've seen the world premiere of the incredible S63 AMG Coupe, and you've snuck into one of the best parties in New York City. I'll see you next time.